Welcome to One Chemistry. Always do your best. Now let us see about the electron donating group. It is a very basic organic chemistry. You should know it thoroughly. We will learn some basics. Then we will see the application, which is on basicity or substitution in ortho or para position, anion stability and cation stability. Stay tuned. What is inside this video? Inside this video we will see what is electron donating group. Then we will see the strength of them. Then we will see the application, which is on basicity or substitution in ortho or para position, anion stability and cation stability. Let us see what is electron donating group. Here electron donating group means push the electron to the single bond, meaning the group donates the electron to the carbon. Here Bi given, it donates the electron to the methyl. The electron withdrawing group also called as electron donating group or plus inductive groups. So as we seen, electron donating groups are positive inductive group. It pushes the electron. Mostly it is electropositive groups. The strong electron donating groups are oxide ion or amines or carbonyls attached with ammonia or amide, finally double bond. Here stronger ones are like oxide system, moderates are carbonyl system, the weaker ones are like alkenes or alkynes. Mostly negatively charged groups or lone pair groups are often considered as electron donating groups. Let us see electron donating group, how it influences the benzene substitution. In benzene, substitution normally happen at ortho and para position if it is electron donating group is there. The electron donating group activate the ring, meaning ring is electron rich. The electron donating group donate more and more electron, makes the ring more electron richer. Since it is a electrophilic attack, the attack will be very nice on ortho and para position. Let us see why. Electron donating group donate the electron, the ring gain partial positive charge, then the partial positive charge rotate around the ring. So the ring become more electron rich. So the density of electron in the ortho and para position is high. So if there is any electrophilic attack, definitely happen on ortho and para position. Meta has less electron density, that's why it's minor. So electron donating group promote ortho and para substitution. Then the next thing is more electron donating group leads to more basicity. Suppose you have amine, which is a Lewis base, it can donate the electron. So suppose amine donates the electron, mean the donating group can help the amine to donate better because it pushes the electron, right? So the more electron density. If it is a 2-methyl group, there will be more pushing. 3-methyl grouping, there will be more and more pushing. So tertiary will be much more better donor, secondary than primary. So more electron donating group leads to more basicity. Then the cation stability. The electron withdrawing group stabilize the cation because the stability means zero charge or less charge. So the cation has the positive charge, the electron donating group donate the electron more. So it try to reduce the charge more and more. So the more the electron donating group, more will be the charge reduction. So it towards the neutrality. So more electron donating group leads to the neutral system. That's why it's more stable. So electron donating group stabilize the cation. Then the anion stability. The anion stability means there will be a charge, negative charge. How the electron donating group? As we very well know that the negative charge repel each other. So the electron donating group donate more electron towards the carbon. So electron density will be higher. So the more electron density leads to the repulsion more. So the repulsion will be happen. So the more the electron donating group, more will be the repulsion. So the repulsion is higher if there is a more group. So electron donating group definitely destabilize the cation. Let us summarize what we seen. Electron donating group means it push the electron, more the lesser will be the pushing. So the inverse relationship between distance and donation. Electron donating group definitely ortho para director. The more the electron donating group, more will be the basicity. Electron donating group stabilize the cation because of neutralization. Electron donating group destabilize the anion because of its increasing charge. That's all from me today. I hope it was useful. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion, comment below.